What's up, dolls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 5-day rice water challenge on my hair for extreme hair growth. So this is pretty simple. All you're going to need is some rice. I'm using brown rice. I've got to rinse this off to remove any excess dirt or debris, and I'm going to transfer it into a mason jar. You definitely want to use something with a lid that is airtight. So once I've got my rice clean and in my jar, I'm going to add some water and I'm going to sprinkle a few drops of peppermint essential oil to help with the scent of the rice water as it ferments for 24 hours. This is optional, but for me, I really like peppermint as it helps to stimulate blood flow and circulation, and it worked amazing for me throughout this process. So once that's done, you want to store it in a cool, dry space to ferment for 24 hours to get all of those vitamins, the nutrients, and the protein out of the rice and into that water. So the next morning, my rice water was ready to go. Now that we have our fermented rice water and all of the amazing proteins, vitamins, and nutrients has been extracted, we want to separate the rice from the water. So I just poured the water into a separate jar, which I brought with me into the shower. So let's get into day one of applying rice water to my hair. Now I do have a lot of avocado oil that I slept on to hydrate my hair, so I'm going to start by washing that out and doing a quick shampoo at my roots. So for day one, I decided to do an in-shower treatment, basically applying the rice water and letting my hair absorb it while I continue to do my shower routine. This was not necessarily my favorite method, as you will see what I did for the following days and why I prefer those methods over this one. So I'm just making sure that I'm saturating all of my hair, really focusing at the roots and then bringing it down into the length of my hair. So I tied it up in a bun and continued with my hair routine by doing a mask at the end of, showering and all of that good stuff. So for day two, this is where it got a little fun. I actually made a fresh batch of rice water, the same as the first day. And this stuff will keep in the fridge. It'll stop the fermenting process if you just pop it in the fridge. So I transferred my rice water into a spray bottle, which I absolutely loved this method so much more than in day one, because I felt like my hair was actually able to absorb all of the proteins, the vitamins, and the nutrients because I left it in for a longer period of time. Now keep in mind, if you're protein sensitive, this might not be something that you want to do, but for me and my hair, it absolutely loved it. It was like hair food. My hair was eating it up. As I apply the rice water, I am detangling my hair and I'm giving myself a little scalp massage. Again, with that peppermint oil, it's really going to help stimulate blood flow to your scalp to further enhance the hair growth. So I continued with my hair care routine as normal and slept on it overnight. So for day three, what's new? I popped my little spray bottle of rice water from the fridge. It was very cold on the scalp, but it felt very refreshing. So I'm just adding that into my hair, again, focusing in on my roots and giving myself a little scalp massage as I apply it to really make sure that my hair absorbs all of that deliciousness. So some of the things that I've noticed about my hair is how soft it is. I noticed this right after day one when I woke up the next morning. Oh my gosh, you guys, my hair is just hydrated. I feel like I needed the protein treatment. Now keep in mind that this rice water will probably keep in the fridge for 3 days before you need to make a new batch. And let me tell you, it's a tedious process, but oh my gosh, was it worth it? So once I've saturated all of my hair and I've given myself a nice massage, I'm just gonna tie this up and go about my day. Day 4, here we are. Again, I'm just focusing in on the roots, massaging it in, and making sure to saturate all of my hair. It's actually in braids right now because I wore a protective style yesterday, so I didn't really feel like washing my hair and going through that whole ordeal. So this is what I ended up doing, is sleeping on it for this day. The final day of our rice water challenge. Of course, I'm going in and making sure to saturate my hair. Now, last night I did shower my hair and re-braid it down so I could go to sleep. And yeah. Okay, so it is the night of day 5. I guess I could have waited until tomorrow to show you guys if there were any results and what it is that I've noticed. But I did want to show you guys my hair. This is like air dried. I did shower a couple hours ago and did my hair routine as normal. So right off the bat, I could tell you the rice water definitely made my hair thicker, especially at the roots. I just felt like there was just a lot of hair than normal, and I feel like my edges got thicker as well. So that's something I noticed. Not only that, but my definition in my curls. Look at this. What straight ends. I didn't do anything different with my products or the application. It stayed the exact same, and they're all curled up. I can throw up a photo on Instagram with my curly hair, and the ends are so straight and stringy. So definitely the rice water softened my hair. My hair was so freaking soft. Every day that I'd go in and apply the rice water, and then waking up the next day if I would sleep on it as a treatment, my hair was just so soft to the touch. And I also noticed how much my hair, like the curl pattern at the roots. So because my hair is transitioning, I haven't relaxed my hair since February, March, April, so 2 months and a half. My roots are starting to curl, and before it would just be a fluffy mess because it'd be relaxed texture. It was all over the place. So now I feel like there's actually definition here at my roots. Again, didn't apply my hair product any differently during my wash and goes. Same method, same products. I think it's hair growth. So the only way to see if it did grow is to put the same crusty shirt on that I marked when I began on day 1. There's a bunch of marks in here, but you can just disregard this side. Don't look at this side, I messed up. So we're looking at the starting point here. Guys, definition. Rice water is like crack cocaine, and I'm about to keep putting it in my hair because it did amazing things for me. Now keep in mind, if you're protein sensitive, I wouldn't recommend doing this every day. Just know your hair and listen to it and how it feels and how it kind of responds. So let's see what we've got. I hate that I'm messing up my curls by stretching them out. Oh my god. Bitch. I need to go get a marker. Wait, bruh, hold on. Bro. What the heck? Wait. Okay, I just freaked out my curl, but it was worth it. You guys, do you see this? This is day 1. This is about an inch. Now, you know curly hair shrinks up and stuff, so you can never really tell the length until you straighten it out. my god, my poor little curls. Bro, I'm gonna keep using rice water maybe like a few times out of the week. I can't believe 5 days? That's why my roots are curled. It's my natural cut. Oh, this shit works. Bro, this shit works. Wait a minute. I just can't believe it worked. My hair is still so soft. Wow. And it was just, I'm sorry, but a week ago, you guys have seen me every day on my YouTube. You know what my hair has been looking like. I mean, granted, I do have some stringy bits here because it's still processed, but the roots, come on, what stringy ends? Look at that bounce back. Soft. Soft, baby, soft. Come on. Frizz, what frizz? Volume, all the volume. Thickness, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That wraps up my 5-day challenge using rice water in my hair, and I am so impressed. I think I am beyond impressed with this, and I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube with the same documenting process, and I didn't think it was gonna work so fast and so quick, but for me, the results definitely spoke for itself, just being that my hair is overall softer. It's so much stronger and thicker. The curls are more defined. I don't feel like I have a lot of frizz. My ends are curling back up, being that this is the deadest part of my hair, so I don't have complaints. I think that this rice water is incredible. It's natural. It's 2 ingredients that you most likely have at home, so why not try it out? There's so many different ways that you could utilize it, as you guys saw in this video today. So thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Click the post notification bell next to it so you guys never miss an upload. And until next time, I'll catch you in my next vlog.